science experiment. Well, something fun for the kids right now. It's raining outside, so we're gonna do a snowstorm in a jar. He's so excited. All you gotta do is get a mason jar, some baby oil. Yeah, you're gonna do that one. You need some paint, water-based paint. We have glitter, alka seltzer, and I got a half a cup of water. Depending on your mason jar, you probably want to make sure that you just, kind of figure out what works for you guys, because you don't want to fill it up all the way, just because once we add the alka seltzer, it's going to kind of fizz up. So we want to make sure that it's not completely full. So what we're first going to do is, with the baby oil, we're going to go ahead and add it to the mason jar, and it'll be about 2/3 full. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. And I open this for you?
Yep.
Okay, so you're going to squeeze it in here.
Okay.
Squeeze it in there. Okay. And then with alka seltzer, you guys, while he's doing that, you're just going to break it up into like a few different pieces, maybe like 3 different pieces. You can probably find it at, the dollar store. Also, like the baby oil, you can probably find that at the dollar store too. So you don't have to spend too much money on these projects. And the white paint, obviously, we add in the glitter and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna break this up while he's still doing that.
Okay. I'm really going tired.
You're tired.
Look at this. Look at it.
Oh.
Make it pee.
What is it doing? Oh.
I'm piggy.
It's like a piggy?
Yeah. I squeeze it in. I need to do my
Oh. Oh. Sounds like a piggy, huh? Oh. And obviously after you're done with the project, you can always just cap it up, and then if you guys want to do the project again, it's ready to go. You'll be able to just drop the alka seltzer back in there and see your snow. Okay, all the snow again there.
We need to go here. Right here.
Okay, get up a little bit more.
Right here, behind all the way to the flower right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need that. There. Come on, we need it. We need it. We need it, guys. Oh my god.
Okay, that should be good, Bubba. Let me see. Okay. It's kind of more than half, but want to add a little bit more?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oi! Wait, we need to go all the way to the flower.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right, so we'll do that here.
I did it.
You did it, yes. Okay. So now I have a half a cup of water. So what we're going to do is just add a couple drops of white paint just to make it white, like white enough. So you're going to just add it. We're going to add this, a couple drops of, you're going to mix it for mommy. You're going to use this end, okay? Because we're just going to go like this. Okay? So hold on to that. I'm going to just do a couple of drops so it makes it nice and white so you'll be able to see it. Whoop. Whoop. Whoa. That thing wanted to come out. Okay, ready? Okay, so go ahead and stir for me. Yeah, like a cloud and rain. You see?
Like and milk too.
And milk too, yes, that is correct.
And glitter too.
So we're gonna go ahead
And put this in the milk box.
we're gonna go ahead and put this in there.
Milk box.
Okay. So as you guys can see, water and oil, they can't mix. Because the water is actually
Corrected.
it's what?
Corrected.
It's more dense than the oil, so it'll always break apart. It'll never mix. So which is cool. So I'm gonna have him just add a little bit of glitter. And you can use different colored glitter. but you want to be able to see like the bubbles and stuff like that. So just letting you guys know, I'm gonna have them drop some glitter in there. We're using white. You see it? So we're using white glitter. Iridescent ones would be probably even better. So since I didn't have that, we're just gonna use the white. Okay. Good job. Okay. All right. So now that one's dropping. So I have a black piece of paper so you guys can actually see a little bit what's going on in here. Maybe from the last experiment you guys weren't able to see the fireworks, so I just want to make sure that you guys are able to see all that fun stuff. Okay, so now I have the alka seltzer. I'm going to have them drop a couple pieces and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so drop them in slowly, okay? Okay, see what happens. Do you see what's happening?
What?
Do you see? It's like a snowstorm in there. You see it? Okay, let me put the black paper so they can see too. So I don't know if you guys can get to see that. Noah's totally checking it out right now.
I was going to say.
Yeah. Super cool.
Milk.
Yeah, it's like milk.
Look at that big blue boat.
Yeah.
Swimming in the water like a boat.
That's so cool. And it's glittery. Huh.
I double like boop.
You want to drop some more?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm just like on two. So then it goes faster and faster and faster.
Yeah, one like small piece too. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
And potion.
Wow. So it's a homemade snowstorm. Is that what snow looks like when you're out there? When we went to the mountains? It's like the snow looks like that. Is that cool?
Like the body of it and like an egg. Body like this. Toot toot toot.
Yeah.
Look at
Look at it. It's like going to the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like flowing up to the side right here of the jar.
I can see it.
Like,
I can see it.
I don't know if they can see it. See that right here? Look. I'm gonna put that back there so you guys can see. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of cloudy now.
Yeah. I mean, I can see it.
Yeah, you want to see it? Oh, look at that.
Come on, John.
One jar. Whoa, and see? And it falls back down too.
Come on.
Since the paint is water-based, it'll go back down.
Come on. It's too fast.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Go faster. Go faster, man. Going faster. More. We're like, oh, let me go. Even faster.
Want to do some more? Oh, it's going faster like that?
I would like that. Wait a minute. Faster.
Okay, try that one.
Okay. Then we just turn the time so we can blow and take it over.
Like, okay. Okay, try it. Right? Look. See that? Is that cool? Whoa, it's like going crazy on one side. That's so crazy. Look. Look at that side. What? It's going crazy on one side, huh?
Yeah, look at it.
Probably where the alka seltzer is, like on the bottom down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's covered in snow.
It's the glass is like covered in snow now. Look at it, it's almost there. That is so cool.
And swish.
Yeah.
Water. Let's do some more.
We'll do some more.
Yeah.
So while we do some more, we'll see you guys later.
And do some more because I like it.
You're gonna do some more because you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we'll be back with some more arts and crafts for Valentine's Day, huh? Yeah?
Thanks for watching. Give thumbs up and don't see and then have some more